Just imagine you're these people, or even these people, or, well, this future-looking couple. Imagine a smart TV that's affordable yet cutting edge and suits your every need. Meet the TCL 65C655.
As unboxings go, there's some, well, which excite me more than others. There's some which are, well, a bit bigger than others. Welcome to a seriously solid presentation pack here. Welcome to something which weighs 23 kilograms packaged, but also contains 65 inches of the latest viewing experience by TCL. So let's cut the seals here and unbox the TCL 65C655 model. Let's see what it offers, the immersive viewing experience, and ultimately let's kick off the full unboxing experience. Enjoying the show? I bet you are. With its pin-sharp 4K resolution and display, the built-in Dolby Atmos sound, the ONKYO built-in surround sound system with its subwoofer, we're talking the full 2.1 home cinema experience. The TCL 65C655 may be notching things up in the affordable space. In fact, it's an absolute steal what they're selling it for, but it's really when it comes to the quality, the depth, the level of intelligent picture modes, the way every pixel pops just so, the blacks, the overall wealth of content thanks to the Google Home experience, the likes of Android TV, and experienced on this edge-to-edge display with the premium QLED technology, that you really see what you're in for here. It's the way it reproduces the image. It's the latency if you use it for the likes of gaming. It's also the full implementation of the Android TV experience, the wealth of content that makes this a simply unbeatable package. Let's face it, TCL have been out there doing incredible things in the audiovisual space, well, for a long time. They're in fact market leaders globally. If you're looking for a seriously premium, affordable QLED 4K television, something which, well, it's a bit smarter than the average out there, the graphic engines, the Dolby Atmos as well as ONKYO 2.1 surround sound system, the unbelievable value for money as well as wealth of features with 144 Hz refresh rate, gaming, watching 4K content, home cinema, you name it, this may be the TV you're after.